fireworks on the strip across the
Oh, they're spinning. I can see the smoke. Jeez.
Plus, there's ones right next to us we can't even see.
Wow.
Wow, look
That's
at that.
amazing.
Coming off the top of the stratosphere.
Wow. It's truly amazing New Year's. Happy New Year's, everybody. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year's.
Wow. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
That's cool.
Look
Coming
at
off the
look
top
at
of the
look all in
stratosphere.
the bottom there, Jack. You see them?
I told you that.
Wow. That's incredible. All the fireworks everywhere.
Army's glowing.
Look at that.
You can hear them, man, going
I can
crazy.
feel the building.
I've never
Look at
seen
that
so
coming
much
off the strat.
fireworks I've ever
I
seen.
can feel the building shake.
Wow. We got the best room.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that shooting off the stratosphere. That's so neat. Yeah, they should have washed the windows right before New Year's Eve.
We can
Look at them down there, all the way down by the Rio.
Right over here, I can't really. They're up. There's some right here, right by our window. Look at how
Yes, I
close.
see.
Wow.
That's
You
crazy,
can't really
man.
see because it's like right next to
Because they're right. Yeah, you can feel them. Shaking the whole thing.
the ones on the stratosphere spin, I think.
Yeah, that's crazy. Look at them shooting off the stratosphere like that. That is so neat, man.
Oh, they're right there.
Look on the very bottom. You can see them all the way down. Look way down there, Jack.
All the way down the strip.
Yes, you see.
Oh,
Wow.
wow. Look at that.
Yes.
All the way down. It's like just every casino just blow. Oh, you can see the
Well,
smoke
the
coming
Plaza
off.
said they were the only ones that let off fireworks last year,
Oh,
which is right next to us.
yeah, you can see the smoke at the top of the window there. That's crazy. Look at that.
Jeez.
They saved up.
No, great heavens.
Yeah, we were hanging out on Fremont and gambling, come back and forth. Decided to just look out the window and all hang out. It's so crazy, it's so busy, and there's so many drunk people.
So many pot smokers.
So much weed.
Smoke weed every day.
There's so much
my
weed
God.
everywhere.
Grandmas,
It's
grandpas.
like breathing it in that we figured we would just
Wow.
come up here and watch fireworks. Look
Don't
at
have
that.
to worry about a
all the way
line
down
going
here. All the way down here, all the way along the strip. I wonder how late they shoot them off. That's crazy, man. Look at that.
Let me put down there. Oh.
Wow. We stayed New Year's Eve in Jamaica once, me and Jack, and it was like this till 4 in the morning. Remember that, buddy?
Aruba, you mean?
Aruba. What did I say?
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Aruba.
They had fireworks?
All night long. All weekend
It was
long.
like World War II.
Yeah, it was crazy. I can't
Wow,
get over
look
the
at the
top of that
stress.
stress. That's neat.
So a little bit too close for comfort.
Wow. Too bad we
can
can't
see
see
'em, they're
it.
like
Too
right
bad
out
we don't
here.
have a window right here.
It's hard to see because they're right next to us.
I kind of can't.
It's kind of cool seeing the strip, though.
Yeah.
Especially the stratosphere, man.
The
That's
Golden
awesome.
Nugget should set them off. I expect maybe they are.
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of weird why they don't do it. They probably own
You
the
can hear
plaza
'em.
too, so that's why they're probably like, we're just putting our money in the plaza. Whoa, there's
Oh, there,
one.
I saw some.
nice.
Too bad we
Saw
can't
some
see that.
coming
They're
up.
so close.
They're like behind us, on top of
Yeah.
us.
This
See the
this is
smoke.
cool.
It's crazy, man. What building is that they're coming off
The
the
plaza.
top of? Over here.
Yeah, the plaza.
Straight in front of us, though.
Plaza.
No, straight in front of us, all the way next to the
That's
stratosphere.
the new resort, Conrad called. It's the new resort. It was added like a couple months ago.
The circle? That.
I don't know.
Well, it's resort. It's Resort Island, I think.
Oh, look at that. There's some.
Wow. I never even thought about there being fireworks at midnight for New Year's Eve. Like, I didn't even think about it. They had so many other things going on.
Wow.
Oh, you can hear people. Dude, we're 18 floors up and we can hear those people. That's crazy.
Oh, I think they're right next to us.
That stratosphere is going crazy.
That's crazy, man. Oh, wow, there's some big ones now. Look at that. They said they closed the whole strip until tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. All the streets are closed.
Wow.
Fremont's totally closed off. Got to have a wristband. Everything's completely closed on the strip until the morning. Must be cool to just be able to walk through the streets of the regular strip, though.
Las
I wonder what
Vegas.
4th of July is like.
Yeah, I don't know. If it's anything like this. But this is magnificent. Look at that. This is 7 minutes in. And I mean, they're going strong off that stratosphere, man. Wow, look at that. They're getting up there now. You just see them all over the strip there.
I'd have to say this is
Oh.
better than New York City.
Yeah. It ain't cold.
Yeah.
That was about
There's
7, 8
more. There's
minutes.
still more down there. See that?
Maybe we're
they
gonna do
got
a grand
late
finale
start.
type of thing now.
They got a late start down there. It's probably $1 million worth of fireworks.
It looks like that might be it. Yeah, you can see them still down here, way down at the end. Yeah, they should have a window washer go clean all the windows before this.
Yeah, here's where the people are all drunken out there, walking around slopped all over down there.
Yeah. Wow, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
You can see some down here still, but not many down there. Well, Happy New Year, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having a Happy New Year.